Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. Today we're going to do our daily market update. Today is November 25th, 2021. The time of this recording is 12:56 p.m. California time. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Gobble gobble. Guys, let's get right into it. We're not going to waste any time. I know you guys have turkey to eat. So, guys, as you guys saw, Bitcoin had a pretty decent pump. So did Ethereum. So what happened, guys? So I saw this pump coming, and for some reason I decided to get out of my trade. You know, I had a small position, actually, you know, decent sized position, decently small but big size. You know, I had like a $80,000 position open on this, and you know, I decided to get out here because I wanted to buy Bitcoin for the long term, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna wait for a bigger dip. And so I had already, you know, a 30% stake position on here, and I got out of it, and I missed out on close to $30,000 in about a day. So, you know, sometimes you gotta just you know, things happen, and you know, we miss opportunities, but it is what it is, guys. But yeah, so as you guys saw, you know, Bitcoin formed this triangle right here. Whenever these triangles, you know, we've talked about these before in the channel. Whenever these triangles form, they break violently towards the upside or violently towards the downside. What happened? It broke towards the upside. So we got like a 5-6% pump out of here, guys. This is where you really wanted to take the position. Once it broke out, confirmed here, then you would have gotten like a nice 4 to 5% position. Really, you could have started taking it here at the second candle when you saw that it was forming towards the upside. This would have been the confirm. You would have taken it here. You would have gotten that nice, you know, 5% move. So what's next? What's next? What comes after this? So it's really hard to say that we are going to keep pumping, because it seems like on the 1 hourly and the 2 hourly, Bitcoin is kind of already running out of steam here. It looks like that pump kind of already took its most of its breath out. The 1 hourly, as you can see, it's starting to kind of like, you know, starting to show signs of weakness. On the RSI, we are completely overbought. I mean, we're coming back down. You know, it was a huge pump, and it took a lot out of Bitcoin. Now it looks like it wants to take a break. You know, money flow is pretty decent, so you know that looks pretty good. So I mean, this could continue to, you know, kind of keep going for a little bit, maybe finding some support around 57,000. I think that might be the next point of support here, 57,000. But remember, guys, you know, retail traders are trading right now, but institutional investors are more likely taking a break. So what happens when institutional investors miss a pump? When they miss a boat, they bring the boat back, guys. So that means, you know, this could be a time on next Monday where we come back down to earth, because institutional investors do not want to buy or miss the dip. So that is something very crucial to think about, guys. And once again, my birds are chirping. You know, as I mentioned before, you know, there's nothing we can do about it. Sorry about that, guys. Let's go to Ethereum. Remember this pattern that was forming on Ethereum, and I said it on my last video. There's a new pattern forming. Obviously, that new pattern played out as well. Look at that. Nice big pump. We stayed above the bull market support band, and it was a 6% pump. And really, for me, it was around a 7% pump when I got in, and then I got out of that trade. So I missed out on a 7% pump return on a, you know, $40,000 investment, you know, sorry, yeah, 40,000. So yeah, that you know, that could have been, you know, something nice, but you know, it is what it is. Once again, same thing with Ethereum. It looks like we are kind of slowly running out of steam. This is not sustainable in the 1 hour, guys. This is not sustainable. We're gonna need to come back down to earth. So we'll see what happens. It's really right on top of the channel. Look at this, guys. We haven't broken it here on the 1 hourly. Then we come back down and come back down even more. Right here, I'm gonna have a very hard time seeing us stay above that, because it just doesn't look like we have the steam on the 1 hourly. You know, so who knows? The 4 hourly could play out and, you know, give it some more, but even the 4 hourly looks like most of the move has already happened. And so maybe we are going to come back down and retest, you you know, even the lower part of the bull market support band at the 50, maybe 4,200, and even lower. Could be even 4,000. I'm really considering getting into a trade now because it just seems like, you know, we are holding strong on 4,200 for Ethereum. But I'm also slightly concerned about the 1 week chart because it looks like we're starting to, you know, see some red, and it looks like the, you know, we're not pumping towards the upside massively. So that's kind of concerning. And same thing with Bitcoin, guys. We're starting to run out of steam here, as you could see. So that's kind of what has me concerned, and that's the only reason why I haven't stayed in any major trade right now. Because look at this. This 1 week chart is showing Bitcoin is coming down, guys. And that's a concern for me when I'm thinking about buying a lot of Bitcoin. So I really want to confirm that we're actually staying and going towards the upside, not towards the downside on the 1 week, guys. That's not where I want to buy, unfortunately. Now, the 1 day is showing like we're maybe starting to recover, but it's hard to say until we stay above the bull market support band and stay up there. It's really hard to actually stay in a trade, guys. I could be taking a risk and buying that dip, but also it could go against me if the 1 week chart doesn't, it just continues to drop, because it looks like there's a lot of support on the 1 week around the $50,000 level and the low 52,000s. So we'll see what happens, guys. That's kind of just a quick little update on what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those things drive the market. Hope you guys have a nice turkey day. And you know, it's not all about investing all the time. Spend some time with your family. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next.